live bodies.
It's a roadie one, is it? Looks like it. Was it a Maestro? Is it difficult at times to know the plans of these, but
I know. They should do.
I know there was a story about the Mark 9 Spitfire Golf Zulu question mark. And apparently, if I remember rightly, the pilot, when he was asked what number or letter to go on there, he shrugged his shoulders so they put a question mark on him. And that's a true story. So, to the music of Glenn Miller, a nice, slow bye-bye by the aircraft of TJD Models. Now that looks nice, yeah, I must agree with John standing next to me, that looks much more realistic. Very nice indeed. Until the Corsair came on the scene, amongst others. And the Corsair is the one high at the rear, the gold-winged aircraft. F4U Corsair Chancellor. Radial engine, massive radial aircraft. Land.
Because the piece fell down by that blue aeroplane, that jet.
That's Solomar 70, powering the zero. W75 is the Spitfire with the question mark.
7 and 4, right. 7
Up into a barrel roll for 4 aircraft. Flyby, speeding up the airfield into a Cuban. Okay, up into a half Cuban. Hold fine. Side by side. Come on, that deserves a round of applause, I know. Come on, TJD Display Team.